Good afternoon to all of you. I was once invited to give a talk to a group of couples. And during the fellowship, I had the chance to converse with some of the couples. And one of those couple I conversed with, I found out that they were already married for the past 53 years. And I was a little bit curious, and I asked the couple, what is the secret na kayo'y magkasama for the past 53 years? The wife told me, Father, because I married an angel. Sabi ko talaga. And she was referring to her husband, whose name is literally Angel. Ang pangalan ng kanyang asawa ay Anghel. Kaya sabi niya, kaya kami 53 years. And she joked to me that paano naman niya ibobrok ang heart ko. Diba? Sino mang anghel ang gagawa noon. Kaya somehow we were able to be together for the past 53 years. Today, my dear brothers and sisters, we celebrate the memorial of the guardian angels. The closing praise of the gospel assures us, I say to you that the angels in heaven always look upon the face of my heavenly Father. Whose angels are this? They are the angels, partners, guardians of the childlike. The childlike, my dear brothers and sisters, that we hear in our gospel for today are not always happy. They have, or they may have, deep sadness about how things are threatened by human neglect, ill will, and greed. But the childlike hope that things will not remain as they are, simply because their hope is in God. My dear brothers and sisters, as we celebrate and commemorate the memorial of our guardian angels, today's gospel singles out the child as the greatest, hopeful, and humble. No amount of sadness and difficulty can destroy a man or a woman who has these childlike qualities. The couple I interviewed and conversed with, marrying an angel, experienced a peace of heaven on earth. Most of us are still finding our guardian angels on earth. If we have not found one, the message is clear. Be an angel to others. Be humble and be hopeful, and you will be holy. I remember, nung ako po'y una pa lang ho na nagda-drive until now, I can admit, hindi ako masyado marunong sa troubleshooting ng sasakyan. Marunong lang akong mag-drive. One time, I was driving and I found out na merong usok sa unahan ng sasakyang ginagamit ko. Pumarada ho ako sa takot at tinitignan ko kung ano ang problema. Nung tinaas ko po yung hood to look what is the problem, at nung ilalapat ko na titignan ko yung mukha ko, ang lakas ng busina ng sasakyan na nasa tabi ko. Nung una, akala ko nagagalit, pinapaalis. Pero nung binaba niya yung kanyang salamin ng kanyang sasakyan, sinabi niya, "Pare, ilayo mo yung mukha mo. Masusunog yan." Nilayo ko nga, and to find out, later on, mainit pala yung tubig na lumalabas sa kabrador. Kaya, nung nakahingi ako ng tulong at nakita yung problema, sabi ko, may anghel na pinadala ang Diyos. Kung hindi, sunog ang mukha ni Father Joel sa init ng, ano po tawag doon sa sasakyan, dun sa lumalabas po na mainit dun sa loob. Sabi ko, pinadalan ako ng Diyos ng anghel na nag-protect at nag-save sa akin. And I'm sure there are a lot of angels around us. And as I have said, if we have not found one, the message is clear. Be an angel to others. Be humble and be hopeful, and you will be holy.
Please stand.
Let us